Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels friendly, simple, and fun. Hi, friends. I'm Emma, and this is my twin brother, Jack.
Hey everyone, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today's topic is super useful. We're talking about how to order coffee in English. Real cafe conversations, real phrases, real situations.
Yes, because many learners tell us they get nervous in cafes. They know what they want, but they don't know the right words.
And sometimes the barista speaks fast and it feels scary.
Yeah, like, hi, what can I get for you today? Super speed mode.
Exactly. So today we'll slow everything down and help you feel confident.
Let's start with the most basic and polite way to order a drink.
Repeat after me. Can I have a coffee, please?
Nice and simple. Again, can I have a coffee, please?
This is friendly, polite, clear, perfect for beginners.
Now, Emma, what if the listener wants a specific kind of coffee?
Good question. You can say, can I have a latte? Or, can I have a cappuccino? Or, can I have an Americano?
Or, if you're like me, can I have a large iced latte with extra milk and 1 pump of vanilla?
Wow, that's your whole personality in one drink.
Maybe yes.
Okay, learners, try saying your favorite drink. Out loud, don't be shy.
I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Nice! Whatever you said, I'm sure it sounded great.
Now, let's practice the barista question you always hear. Ready?
Can I get for you?
Repeat.
What can I get for you?
Or sometimes they say, what would you like?
Or the super fast version, what can I get for you?
Don't worry, they're all the same meaning.
Okay, Jack, mini quiz time. Are you ready?
Oh no, I'm scared already.
I'll say a barista line and you guess what it means. A2 level challenge.
Okay, bring it on.
Number 1, for here or to go?
That means, are you staying in the cafe or taking it away?
Correct. And for our listeners, repeat these 2 answers. For here, to go.
Easy and very useful.
All right, number 2, would you like anything else?
Ah, yes, that means, do you want something more? Like a cookie or a sandwich or 3 donuts?
3 donuts, really?
For educational purposes only.
Sure.
Okay, listeners, repeat, no thank you, or yes, a muffin, please.
Great. Now, a big question many learners ask. Emma, how do I order politely without sounding rude?
Yes, this is important.
Use please and a nice tone. Tone is everything.
Listen to this difference. I want a latte. Can I have a latte, please?
The second one sounds friendly, soft, polite.
The first one sounds like you're a boss in a bad mood.
Yeah, so tone plus please makes magic.
Now, let's teach one more useful phrase. Could I get?
Yes, this one is very natural in real life. Repeat, could I get a small cappuccino?
And if you want to sound extra friendly, you can add please at the end.
Now, Jack, let's do a role play. I'll be the barista, you be the customer.
Okay, but I'm a shy customer, very shy.
Perfect for our learners. And action. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I have a medium latte, please?
Sure. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, maybe a chocolate chip cookie?
Absolutely. Anything to drink with that?
Emma, no. I already ordered a drink.
I'm testing your confidence.
Okay. No, thank you.
Great. Your total is $7.
Thank you.
And scene.
That felt real.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. We'll go slowly. Imagine you're in a cafe. You see the menu. You know what you want.
I'll ask the question. You answer out loud.
Don't worry, no one is judging you.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Say your drink now.
Nice. Now, I say, for here or to go?
And you answer, for here or to go.
Great. Now the barista asks, anything else?
You answer, no thank you, or yes, a brownie please.
Amazing job.
Another thing learners worry about is size. Small, medium, large.
Yes, sometimes cafes use different names, like tall, grande, venti.
But don't panic. If you don't understand, just say, what sizes do you have?
Repeat. What sizes do you have?
Or you can say, I'd like a medium size, please.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Now, Emma, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
What if the listener wants to ask for less sugar or more milk?
Great point. You can say, can you make it with less sugar? Or can I have extra milk? Or no sugar, please.
And you can also say, can you make it a bit stronger if you want strong coffee?
Yes, that's a very useful phrase. Repeat, a bit stronger.
Now I'm getting thirsty.
Me too. All this coffee talk.
Let's also teach one thing learners always forget. Pronunciation of latte.
Yes, many students say it like an Italian word, but in English cafes, we say latte.
And cappuccino is cappuccino.
And espresso is not espresso. There is no X.
Yes, if you say espresso, the barista will not fight you, but inside they will cry a little.
Jack.
I'm just being honest.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Latte, cappuccino, espresso.
Nice. Now let's practice a full sentence. Repeat. Could I get a small latte, please?
Again, could I get a small latte, please?
You're doing amazing.
Jack, let's teach one more useful line before we continue deeper.
Sure.
Sometimes the barista asks, what name should I put on the cup?
Yes, and if your name is difficult, you can spell it, like Rashid, R-A-S-H-I-D.
Or you can give a simple nickname if you want.
Yeah, like Batman.
No, Jack, no one is using Batman.
Someone will, I believe.
Anyway, when they ask for your name, just say, my name is, or it's.
Simple.
So, Jack, what's your go-to order? Like your everyday drink?
My daily, I usually get a large iced latte with no sugar and extra...
Espresso shot?
Yes, you know me too well.
Of course, twin powers.
And you, what's your usual?
A small cappuccino with a little cinnamon on top. Just a little, not too much.
Yeah, if they put too much cinnamon, Emma starts sneezing like a baby panda.
It's true. One time I sneezed so loud, the whole cafe looked at me.
And I pretended I didn't know her.
Jack!
Kidding. I would never abandon my twin in a cinnamon emergency.
Anyway, let's help our listeners with another important skill, asking questions when they don't understand something.
Yes, very important. Many learners feel embarrassed, but it's totally normal.
You can say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, can you say that more slowly, please?
Or a simple one, I didn't catch that.
Repeat after us. I didn't catch that.
Perfect. And remember, baristas are usually friendly. They will repeat.
Yes, they won't say, oh no, how dare you ask again.
No, never.
Now, let's teach one more helpful phrase. What do you recommend?
Yes, if you don't know what to order, this is great. People love giving recommendations.
And sometimes they tell you something you've never tried before.
Like a caramel cold brew or a chai latte.
I love chai lattes. They taste like a hug.
A spicy hug.
Yes, a warm, spicy hug for your soul.
Okay, listeners, repeat What do you recommend?
Nice. Now let's do another small role play. This time you are the customer. I'll be the barista. Emma will help.
All right, Jack, go for it.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get for you?
Listeners, say your drink now.
Great. And would you like it hot or iced?
Answer out loud.
Awesome. And what size? Perfect. And your name? Great job. See, you can do the whole conversation already.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone does, even native speakers.
Absolutely. One time I ordered a large iced later instead of large iced latte.
And I corrected him loudly.
Yes, she embarrassed me a little.
You're welcome.
Let's teach our listeners how to ask for temperature. Sometimes drinks are too hot.
Yes, you can say, can you make it less hot, please?
Or you can make it extra hot if you like it very warm.
And if your drink is wrong, you can politely say, sorry, I think this isn't my order.
Don't shout, don't panic, just speak normally.
Yes, they will fix it. It's totally fine.
Now let's practice one more full conversation, but a little faster, like real life.
Ready?
Action.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Great. Anything else?
Nope, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. What name should I put on the cup?
Jack.
Thanks, Jack. Your drink will be ready soon.
And scene.
See? Smooth, simple, friendly.
And you can do the same. Just keep practicing.
Let's teach a few more advanced but useful phrases for learners who want to level up.
Yes, like, could you make it dairy-free?
Or, can I have oat milk, please?
Or, can you make it decaf?
Decaf means no caffeine.
I never order decaf. I want full power.
Yes, if Jack drinks decaf, he sleeps standing up.
Not true. Maybe.
Repeat these. Dairy-free. Oat milk. Decaf.
Very good.
Another thing. Sometimes baristas say, do you need a receipt?
You can answer yes, please, or no, thank you.
Simple.
And sometimes they say, your drink will be ready at the counter.
That means go to the other side and wait.
Yes. Don't wait in the wrong place, like I did once.
He waited by the fridge.
I thought it was the counter.
Jack, it was a fridge.
It was shiny.
Anyway, a very common phrase you'll hear is next in line.
That means it's your turn.
And if you're not ready, don't panic. Just say, 1 moment, please.
Or, I need a minute.
Repeat, 1 moment, please.
Great.
Before we end, let's do a super quick practice round, fast and fun.
I'll ask random barista questions. You answer them out loud. No thinking. Just speak.
Let's go.
What can I get for you today?
Answer.
Hot or iced?
Answer.
Anything else?
Answer.
Your name?
Say it clearly.
Nice. You did great.
Seriously, you're improving just by listening and speaking with us.
And you can practice every day, even when you're at home.
Order coffee in the mirror, talk to yourself, or talk to your cat.
Cats are excellent listeners.
Yes, they judge silently, but they listen.
Exactly.
All right, friends, that brings us to the end of today's episode about ordering coffee in English. We hope you learned something useful and fun.
Remember, confidence grows when you practice. Even small practice helps.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.